So I made a trip to Costco Wholesale in Teterboro, New Jersey today. Special hours for members 60 years old and older like me. Unfortunately, so many turned out that the line was extremely long, the longest that I've encountered since the pandemic started. Now, when I got home, I prepared some organic quinoa with organic diced tomatoes and chickpeas, garbanzo beans. There's chicken broth and powdered garlic, no salt seasoning, cumin. I used 1.5 cups of quinoa and 3 cups of the chicken broth, can of diced tomatoes, and a drained can of garbanzo beans. I had run out of quinoa, so I was able to get some today. Picked up a 3-pound bag of California almonds. They're steam pressurized now. So these are raw, sodium-free almonds, and I roasted them in the oven at 275 degrees for an hour and 30 minutes. And as soon as they cool, I'm going to transfer them to these jars and dust them with Saigon cinnamon, which you can also find at Costco. And it's a great after-dinner snack. Finally, when we found Balthasar Bakery in Englewood, New Jersey, closed the other day, so I made sure to look for the Baguettes at Costco. These are not the equal of Balthasar's Baguettes, but in a pinch they'll do. The local newspaper had a story about which bakeries are still baking baguettes. Unfortunately, they're so far away. It was a useless article. Anyhow, so I'm slicing these to put in the freezer. I always like to cut off the heels, the end of the breads, and dip them in extra virgin olive oil. It's a nice little snack. Enjoy.